Dear students, welcome to my channel HiQ Learning. Today in this video we will be discussing integration by substitution. In the previous videos we have already discussed introduction and we have seen some problems related to indefinite integration. So in this topic, integration by substitution, let us try to understand how we can use this method, this technique. Suppose we have to evaluate the integral function of phi x into phi dash x dx. This type of problem can be handled, can be evaluated with the help of substitution. So in this type of problem we will put phi x is equal to t. Phi x is equal to t, so that we could get, after differentiation both sides, phi dash x is equal to phi dash x dx is equal to dt. And we have to take care of some different cases, so please take note of few points. If integrand is in the form of function of ax plus b, then we put ax plus b is equal to t, and differentiating both the sides we get dx is equal to 1 by a dt. Second, if integrand is in the form of function of xn whole to the power n into f dash x dx, here we'll keep it inside the bracket, then we will put fx is equal to t, and differentiating both sides we will get f dash x dx is equal to dt. If integrand is in the form of x to the power n minus x, fx to the power n, here we will put xn is equal to t, and therefore nx minus 1 dx is equal to dt. Dx will be here. And finally one more case will arise. If case is like this, f dash x fx dx, then we put fx is equal to t, so that after differentiating we'll get f dash x dx is equal to dt. So these are very simple and basic concepts behind integration by substitution, and will make it more understanding, will make it more clear by doing some simple problems. So let us start some problems now. let us start with this question. Evaluate integral of cos cube x into sin x dx. Here we will put cos x is equal to t, and after differentiating both the sides we are getting a minus sin x dx is equal to dt, or we can write sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So therefore now this integral I becomes integral of cos x is t here, so this is t cube, and sin x dx is minus dt, so put minus sign here and dt. We know how to get the value of this integral. Just try to recall the formula. Integral of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So accordingly we can write here this is equal to minus t to the power 4 by 4 plus c, and putting the value of t is equal to cos x, we will get the result here. So this is minus 1 by 4 into cos to the power 4 x plus c. This is the answer. So just we have to understand the technique of substitution, and after substitution the integral becomes in the very simplest form and we can evaluate it very easily. Now let us see next question. We have to evaluate integral of sin x upon 3 plus 4 cos x whole square dx. You see, derivative of cos x is, minus sin x dx. So we will put here, we will put 3 plus 4 cos x is equal to t, so that after differentiating both sides we will get minus 4 sin x dx is equal to dt, or we can write sin x dx is equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. So now this integral can be written as integral of sin x dx is minus 1 by 4 dt. So we can write here minus 1 by 4 and dt, and here denominator 3 plus 4 cos x is t, so this is t square. This can be written as minus 1 by 4 integral of t to the power minus t dt. So with the help of the same formula we can evaluate it very easily. This is integral is minus 1 by 4 into t to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. This minus sign will be cancelled out. So finally we are getting here 1 by 4 t. In place of t we will put this value 3 plus 4 cos x. So we are getting the answer. This is 1 upon 4, t is 3 plus 4 cos x. This is the answer. Now let us see one more question. This will be the last question of this video, and after that in the next video we will do some more problems related to the same topic. So let us see this question. We have to evaluate the integral sec square log x upon x dx. Here, what will be the substitution? We will put here log x is equal to t. Here we will put log x is equal to t, so that after differentiating both the sides, we will get 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So now this integral can be written as sec square log x is t and 1 upon x dx. This is 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. And you know, integral of sec square x with respect to x is tan x. Since derivative of tan x is sec square x, and as we know, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So integral of sec square t will be tan t. So this is equal to tan of t plus c. Now I will put the value of t here. So we are getting, this is equal to tan of log x plus c. This is the answer. So students, after little practice, you will have a command over this topic very easily, and topic is very interesting. So keep in touch with my videos. In the next video, we will do some more problems related to the same topic, integration by substitution. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will suggest you to please subscribe my channel so that you could get notification all the time. Thank you very much.